inner lining, multiple layers of polyester or cotton are used to provide shape and stability to the ball. And stitching. In traditional methods, skilled workers sew the panels together, inside out, using durable thread. This provides strength and durability. In high-quality footballs, workers stitch panels together using polyester or Kevlar threads. This is a meticulous process to ensure durability and uniformity. Machine stitching. For mass production or lower-cost balls, machines stitch panels together. Hermal bonding. In modern footballs, panels are heat-sealed together using adhesives to eliminate stitches. Assembly bladder insertion. The bladder is inserted into the stitched or bonded outer casing for stitched footballs. The final seam is closed using special needles or heat sealing for bonded balls. The outer material is cut into precise shapes, typically hexagons and pentagons, or other panel configurations for modern designs. This is done using cutting machines or dies. Logos, graphics, and branding are printed onto the panels using screen printing or digital printing. This step ensures the design is vibrant and durable. And stitching. In traditional methods, skilled workers sew the panels together, inside out, using durable thread. This provides strength and durability.